Welcome back. In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to download and install the drivers for Dell laptop. I went to the Dell website, assuming that I have purchased a laptop from Amazon.in, and I will search for Inspiron. I will pick up the laptop model randomly. Let us say I have purchased. So basically, I am not using the Dell laptop. I am using Asus laptop. So this is only for demo purpose. Dell Inspiron 5430 is the model which we have purchased. And if I want to download the drivers for Dell Inspiron 5430, in the Dell website, there is an option support drivers and downloads. So we have an option here support drivers and download. You click on support drivers and download. This page will automatically detect the laptop model which you are using. Since my laptop is Asus, it is not recommending any drivers. If it was a Dell laptop, definitely it would have recommended support for Dell laptop. In the search box here, I'll be able to search for the laptop model. If I enter the laptop model and click on search, if I don't see any result, you can cancel this and you can just enter the keyword Inspiron. You will see the laptop models which are getting listed. So there are many models under Inspiron which are available: 14-inch laptop, 15-inch laptop, and also 16-inch, 17-inch laptops. So we wanted the drivers for this particular laptop model, which is Dell Inspiron 5430. And if I click on search, I am not getting the result. So what I will do is I will enter 5430, which is the laptop model, and this is the Inspiron 14 5430. Let us check if it is a 14-inch laptop. Yeah, this is the 14-inch laptop. 5430 is the 14-inch laptop for which I wanted to download the drivers. I will select the laptop model 5430 and I'll be able to see the drivers. I can select the drivers from this option. So we are under support, drivers and download. Once I have searched the laptop model, you will be able to see select drivers. Click on select drivers, choose the operating system which you want, and there are Linux, Windows 11 and Windows 11 S mode operating system. So we will select Windows 11 as the operating system. If you want to select a specific driver, let us say if you want to select only for the audio, you can select audio, or you can list all the drivers. So once you have listed all the drivers, here you will be able to filter the drivers which are released in the recent time. So these are the drivers which are uploaded in last 7 days, and these are the drivers which are uploaded in the last 30 days, and these are the drivers which are uploaded in last 60 days. Now what I will do is I will select all. It will list all the dates, all the release dates. If I want to select any specific driver, you can come here, audio driver, you can download the audio driver. So Dell Inspiron 5430 uses the audio, Realtek high definition audio. You can download this particular driver. This was released on 6th September 2024 and there is no updated driver after that. So you can click on download. You can select the driver to download and you will be able to download from here. So the download is getting started. If you want to download any other drivers, you can download the drivers for video, you can download the drivers for chipset, you can download, and also we can see the chipset drivers here. Always check for latest version of the chipset drivers. It is always recommended to visit the vendor website and download the latest chipset drivers for your laptop model. And there is a driver for mouse, and there is a driver for network. So network, it is Realtek Bluetooth driver and Realtek network card driver. And for storage also, we can see there are drivers. Under the storage drivers, you can see, if you click this arrow, you will see more options here. It seems like there are multiple drives which are shipped for this particular laptop model. You need to select the proper SSD drive firmware for installing on your laptop. And we can also see there is a driver for NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card. Some of the laptops comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX card as an option. If your laptop comes with NVIDIA GeForce card, you can come here and download the drivers for the NVIDIA chipset. And there is a driver for the application. So visit this particular website, download the drivers, and once you have downloaded, this drivers will be available. So this is the audio driver. If you double click on the driver which you have downloaded, it will ask to install. So there is an option to install or extract. You can directly install the drivers for your laptop. If you select install, the drivers get installed, or you can even extract, and you can select the folder where you wanted to extract. So this folder I wanted to extract Dell drivers. I'll store all the drivers under this folder location. So this is the package for audio drivers. So once you have the audio drivers downloaded, you can run this particular setup. I will click on no. I will not be installing this driver because I am not using the Dell laptop. This is only for the demo purpose. If you are installing on your laptop, which is a Dell make, and you can select yes. So always check your laptop model and the driver which you want to install.